Hi everyone, let's get straight into this sexy lips Valentine's nail tutorial. I started off with 2 coats of a black nail polish or gel polish, cured that, and then I've gone in with a red gel polish with a dotting tool, and we're going to draw our lips. So as you can see, we're just doing some M's. That is for your top lip, and then underneath, like you'll be able to see the shape. It's kind of straight across, and then you've got a little curve just for your pouty bottom lip. We're going to do 2 of those and pop them into the lamp. I use a slightly smaller dotting tool for the second lip. And then once they have cured, I go in with a light pink gel polish and just doing a little bit of highlighting, a little bit of wet. I don't know. It's meant to make the lips look sexy. Anyway, I'm not sure about it, but I've done it anyway, and I think they turned out pretty cute. So once that's cured, once that's cured, we're going to go in with a top coat, and your nail is done. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy my Valentine's nail tutorials. They're cute, they're fun, they're easy, and anyone can do them. I'll see you all next time. See you later. Bye.